sit-ups for today.
Just gotta get strong. Did you like the intro? Hopefully. Do you have anything to say about yourself?
I didn't,
Yeah.
when...
Yeah.
How do you spin? Oh, that's how you spin it. Oh, yeah. That cocktail. Check out the Danny of Daniel. I'm probably gonna change the name.
Yeah. What do you think you should change it to? Something that...
I have no idea.
Sorry guys, your fault. Yes, you do. Okay, we're doing a Nerf force.
But yours is easier to aim. Yeah. Okay, so the first 1, 2, 3 kills wins, and yeah.
But we're gonna just go to 4 rounds. Okay, yeah, let's go to 3 rounds.
No rounds. How about first 1 to 3 kills?
Does
that sound good?
That's what I meant by starting in 3, 2, 1, go. That was so off. Sorry, guys. Yes! I got his head. You still would have died.
Yeah, I would have been between the eyes.
You would have got me right here, though, and I would have been like, oh crap. And I would have had to use this, my arm.
Okay, so first round goes to Beaui. I'm gonna get my 2 good bullets. Good bullets.
Whoa. Next round starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can they even see you, Daniel? Who cares? I can't carry the shield with me.
You can. Oh my! My knife flashed before my eyes.
Could they?
I don't know.
It looks like it bounced off your head, but I don't know.
I really don't know.
We'll just count it as a no.
Things will be
3 seconds, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. You shot me in the heart. You shot me right here. You know what? You shot me right here. I'm dead.
Oh.
Okay, second round goes to Daniel.
Okay, you need 2 more, I need 2 more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Round starting in 3, 2, 1, go. This is so stupid. Dear Lord. No, not again! Oh, my back!
Ah, my neck. Wait, I shot you in the back, right?
Right here.
Oh. So,
You want to call it a fact?
okay, so we both have 2.
Yep.
Next kill wins.
Oh, dear Lord.
Kill sounds so brutal.
Round starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! What the? Oh, you're not dead. I shot you like right here.
I shot you right here.
You shot me right here, Daniel. Well, I'm already dead. No, you know what? Don't kill me. Before you kill me.
I don't care. What
Piece
you
of- Yes! You son of a gun! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! Oh!
You made.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, Beaui.
What?
That's just.
How? 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 I didn't even get close. Okay, I'm dead, guys. You guys okay? Anyway, see you in the video and say goodbye.
Goodbye from your life.